Guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Bangkok, Thailand. Just got here this morning, so I just had breakfast across the street at this place, Dead 5. So this nice breakfast right here with the coffee and beans and bacon and sausage and eggs and all this. 179 baht, which is about $5.50. So I'm going to take a little walk around the area of Sukhumvit, around the Nana stop, very famous area, and just see what's around here. I'm gonna go see if maybe I can exchange some money and just kind of understand where everything is over here for later on. I still gotta wait to check into my hotel, so I got some time to kill. Oh, thank you. Find yourself in Thailand, definitely get the foot massage or the back massage or both. And I've been doing a hell of a lot of walking around Tokyo yesterday. I had a 20-hour layover, so I try to get in as much as I can. My feet are killing me, so after I check in and take a shower and take a nap, I'm definitely gonna go get a foot massage. An hour foot massage or back massage is cheap. It's like maybe $7-8, something like that. Foot massage for 1 hour, 300 baht, about $9. The BTS line, the train line up here at the Nana station. And I'm going to go this way. I think there is some kind of Koreatown or something, according to the map at least. Foot massage, $3.50. So foot massage and hand massage are $3.50. So that's a little bit more than $10. It's like $11, right? So right now, $1 is 32.6 Thai baht. So $3.50. Yeah, it's $11 for an hour. So it's still a great deal. And if you can use the trains around here to get where you need to go or close to it, it's probably a good idea. You see how the traffic is out here. It's crazy. Thai people love gold, so there's gold shops all over the place. I don't see any silver. Not right now, thank you. This is the Koreatown. Let's go take a look at this. I saw it on the map. I'm trying to find a mall. But what I mean by mall is like a closed mall with nice air conditioning that I could hang out and do some research and scroll the internet and see what I'm going to do today while I wait for my check-in. But this doesn't look like that's it. However, stuff looks pretty good over here. So Korean barbecue buffet. Pork, seafood, $5.99. Buffet. So that's all you can eat. That's pretty good. What's that? $5.99 is a little less than $20. Another Korean buffet. I might have to try this place. By the way, it's very early in the day. It's like 10:30. 5 to 11. That was not really the mall I was looking for, but oh well. But Bangkok is a huge place, and I'm not even scratching the surface of a scratch on the surface. Just going down any of these side streets, you might find all kinds of interesting stuff. Oh, here's a huge place. I haven't seen no places. Some kind of mall. It's like a real mall. It's like a office building kind of place with a few stores. Let's see. All that matters is that we got some good AC and I could just walk around and browse a little bit. Ooh, AC is nice in here. Not a lot of people out here, but when I was there, I guess I could get iced coffee, cafe and Starbucks. Let's take a look at that. Iced Americano, 70 baht, about $2. Took like 12-15 minutes to get this thing, so next time I'm just going to Starbucks. Not really a fan of Starbucks coffee. It's kind of bitter, and I really like Starbucks, but it's kind of like McDonald's in that you know what you're getting when you're all over the world, and so when you ask for an iced coffee, they know what that means. I've been in places where I asked for an iced coffee, even at Dunkin' Donuts in Madrid, and they just put ice in a cup and poured, you know, scalding hot coffee into the cup with ice, which immediately melted the ice and made it lukewarm and handed it to me like that was iced coffee. So sometimes it could be hit and miss. El Guacho Argentinian Steakhouse. Whoa, that place is big. Apparently, weed is legal in Thailand. They made it legal just a few years back, but I think they're taking it away where they're making it medicinal, you know, doctor prescribed only or something along those lines. I don't know rates they got in US dollars. So they got different rates for different denominations. So don't bring any small bills here, they don't like it. And if there's any kind of rips or tears or smudges or marks on the dollars, a lot of times they may not accept it. So, but that guy's rates for $100 bills was 32. The current rate is 32.6. So that's about a 2% discount off of the world rate. Right, 2 times 32 is 6.4, whatever, 6.5. So, yeah, 2% off, that's not bad. Dope Bros. Look at this. How come nobody ever thought of that before? Pizza and donuts. Genius. I may have to go try out their pizza. So guys, that's a little walk around Sukhumvit Road, around the BTS train station, around Nana Station. Never know what you find out here just from walking a few blocks. A lot of interesting stuff. So I guess I'm gonna have to do a few more of these walks to see what else is out here. Hope you like this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.